walk slowly without making a scene. Low voice, heavy soul in between. I pick up phrases falling on the ground. They throw them hard, like war has no sound. They taught me not to answer with rage, not to confuse loudness with strength on a stage, to stay quiet when my heart makes noise. When defending myself feels like breaking my poise, I smile even when something breaks inside. I let things pass even when they collide. I search for the good, I try to understand those who strike without feeling, without a hand. But some words stay right here with me. They sit beside my thoughts silently, and they ask me softly, without mercy, are you the one who's wrong, or will you always be? I made choices that never made the news. I gave up parts of me to protect and to choose. To shield the ones I love, I turned the volume down. But my heart never learns to drown. And I keep standing on my feet, even when words bend me low. I don't reply with poison, even when they tell me no. My kindness makes no noise. It doesn't strike, it doesn't scream, it doesn't hurt, but it resists, even when the world humiliates and deserts. My humor never wants to wound, it's just a different way to breathe. But some mistake it for weakness, take my respect as something to seize. Then come the insults, light and free. Born of ego, born of not seeing me. They don't know what it costs to stay calm with storms inside an old song. Words don't draw blood, that's true, but they dig deep and I feel it too. They slow my steps, might gaze me, why they make me doubt even who am I. And sometimes I admit it without disguise. I wish I were harder, sharper inside. A cruel reply, a verbal knife, but common sense stops me, don't become their life. I don't wait for revenge or to wish them pain. I wait because I hope, and hope remains that one day they'll learn what a word can do when it falls on someone who only tried to be true. And I keep standing on my feet, even when the weight breaks me down. I don't answer with anger, I don't betray the care I found. My kindness makes no noise, but it has roots under my skin. It doesn't apologize for existing. It stays real, it stays within. I don't have ready-made solutions in my hand. I only have a road I understand. I live honestly without a mask. I help even those who never ask. Life is hard, I know it well. Obstacles always ring the bell. When a small opening appears for me, someone always tries to close it carelessly. But I stay here, feet on the ground, heart wide open. I'm grateful for the smallest things, a quiet day, a true gesture, a sky unbroken. And I keep standing on my feet, even if I shake, even if I fall. I may never be cruel enough, but I am real and that's worth it all. My kindness makes no noise, but one day it will be light. When the wrong words fade away, those who chose not to destroy will remain inside. Maybe I don't win by shouting, maybe I lose in the eyes of those who hurt. But when I look myself in the mirror, I know I keep going. And I know who I am.